I know one of the things I'm going to have to do, and I'll show you that. I'll make this a different video. Is all of the doors are going to be painted, all the door frames are going to be painted, all the baseboards are going to be painted, and the walls, the ceilings, all that kind of stuff. So I know even before I get the paint that I can stay over here and I can do some work, can I? I can check all these doors, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do that on a different video, but I'm going to open and close them, make sure that none of the doors are sagging, or check different things out, different things that I have to do before I take these doors down. Because see, once I check all the doors and make sure they're opening and closing properly and there's enough clearances and nothing's rubbing on anything, then I can take all the doors out. I can take the hinges out, I can take the doorknobs out, and then I can stack all these doors inside the garage, because eventually like I say, all those doors are going to be painted. So then I can take those out. I can sand them, I can do all that kind of stuff, and I can get them out of here. And then they'll be out of my way for when I get ready to start painting. Okay, now granted, this front door, I'm not going to be able to do that for the front door. I'm not going to take the front door off, and I'm only going to be painting this door, you know, from this edge over. And see, that last time whoever painted this, they painted the interior side. They didn't paint the side, did they? Or with the same color as the outside. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do it right. And so I'll have to paint this one in place and all that. And I'll go over that, like I said, in a minute. Just keep watching my videos. And if you want to see the transformation, what I'm going to be doing over here,